In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Google Play Services cache. If your Android device is acting a little slow, certain apps are not working properly, or you're having trouble with downloads, notifications, or Google-related features, clearing the cache for Google Play Services can be a helpful troubleshooting step. This does not delete your personal files, and in most cases, it simply removes temporary data that may have become outdated or corrupted. To begin, open the Settings app on your Android device. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Apps or Apps and Notifications. The exact wording can vary depending on your phone brand and Android version, so don't worry if it looks slightly different on your screen. The goal here is simply to get into the list of installed apps. Next, tap See All Apps or App Info. This will open the full app list on your device. On some phones, you may need to scroll a little before you see this option. If your device shows system apps separately, that's normal too. From the app list, look for Google Play Services. Since the list can be long, it may help to scroll carefully until you find it. Make sure you select Google Play Services and not the Google Play Store, since they are different apps and serve different functions on your device. After opening Google Play Services, tap Storage and Cache. This area shows how much space the app is using and gives you options for managing temporary files. Cache files are meant to help apps load faster, but over time they can sometimes cause small glitches, which is why clearing them can be useful. Now tap Clear Cache. Once you do that, the cached temporary data for Google Play Services will be removed. This process is usually very quick and does not require a restart, although if your device was experiencing a problem, restarting afterward can sometimes help everything refresh properly. That's all you need to do. Clearing the Google Play Services cache is a simple maintenance step that can help resolve minor app and system issues without affecting your important data. If you're following along on a different Android model, just remember that menu names may vary slightly, but the overall process stays the same. And that's how to clear Google Play Services cache on your Android device.